One city will start to attract the dash of public and private investment. So what of public and private? We need a noun. Whenever we have a blank before of, we need to put noun there. Majority of investment makes sense. Majority means major proportion of. Bulk is used for quantity. Like we buy the notebooks in bulk, means a lot of them together, that is bulk. Mass is used for weight. And common is not a noun, so we'll go with majority of investment. This could be due to dash advantage or political decisions. This could be due to advantage. What kind of advantage? Usual. So they're talking about one city. Let's assume they are talking about Sydney. So Sydney attracts majority of the investment. This could be due to dash advantage. What is the usual or normal advantage of Sydney? Or natural or unusual advantage. So unusual cannot go with advantage. It's like strange. What is when we use the word unusual? Bit negative way. Natural is like its geographical position, the place it is situated. It's its natural advantage that it is next to harbor. So we have a lot of sea transport possible here. So that is the natural advantage. So they say that cities attracting investment maybe because it's because of the natural advantage or it's because of political decisions of the city. This in turn will dash further investment due to the multiplier effect. So things are going positive here, and grammar says will have first form of verb. Arouse is second form, arise is the first form. This will kindle advantage, dampen or stimulate. So dampen is negative, it means like to diminish or to decrease. What do we mean by kindle? Kindle means also kindle means arouse only. So it's more used with feelings, not with investment or things like that. So it's more like a feeling of joy or feeling of sorrow. So that's kindling. And so what are we left with? This stimulate. Stimulate is used will encourage. So this in turn, because all the things are positive, so it will encourage further development due to the multiplier effect and dash rural to urban migration. So if the city will have investment, then there will be more rural to urban, because the people living to nearby rural areas will also go to that city. So not insignificant. Trivial means small, noteworthy is clear, significant means a major one. Like we say one significant um, proportion of population. So significant means a good big number of population. So it will be significant rural to urban migration. The investment in this city will be at the dash of other cities. So at the expense of is a collocation, and we'll go with that, because at the expense of means not doing the investment there, we will do the investment here. That is doing something at the expense of other things, means other things will not get it. That's why the first one will get it.